My name is Marco Brown. This is my wife Catherine, my son Jeremy. My dad Melvin Brown, in 1946, he purchased a farm in Clay County. The coal company was interested in Dad's farm in Clay County, and for 20 years they tried to buy it, and Dad said he wouldn't sell it, but he would trade it. Well, in 1980, they came to us and they found 3 farms here in Greene County. And so we elected to trade farms with the coal company, and so we moved down here in 1980. In 2010, we were working on a barn, and there was a board that wasn't nailed on right, and it ended up that I fell and landed on my head and crushed 2 vertebrae in my back and broke a lot of ribs, but the Lord protected me, and I feel like if it wasn't for the good Lord, a good family in Purdue, I wouldn't have been able to make it. Through Purdue, there's a program called Agri-Ability that they supply equipment to help handicapped farmers get back in production. It's been 10 years, and right now I'm just getting tired. We've elected to rent the farm to a neighbor. We just elected to sell all of the tillage equipment. On September 4 and 5, we're going to have an open house at the farm. You're welcome to come and get lunch and look at any of the equipment. And if you have any questions, I'll be around there to answer what I can. Again, on September 4th and 5th, there'll be an open house on the farm that you're welcome to come and eat lunch.